Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to easily enable and use Quick Cool Profile. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's open the apps icon right here, this orange one from the right. Here you've got access to all apps on your car, and one of them is Profile. Let's just tap it. As you can see here, you can use this Quick Cool. So this mode immediately sets the air conditioning to its maximum power and lowest temperature. It is designed to rapidly cool down a hot cabin after the car has been sitting in the sun. As you can see, if you tap the information here icon, you will see the following settings like AC temperature, fan speed, AC, internal and external circulation, and also the air outlet mode. If you are aware of this and you would like to enable the Quick Cool, let's just tap it. Here you've got the information and the settings with your air conditioning, and the car is trying to rapidly cool the cabin. If you tap again on Quick Cool, the Quick Cool is off. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.